How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Orlando. We're going to the Character Warehouse today. Currently it's 11:30. We just got into the virtual queue. We'll let you know how long we waited, and then we'll get inside and check out the items. After just 1 hour and 1 minute, we are summoned to go into the Character Warehouse. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and of course like this video. All right, let's get inside. First thing we have is here is a bunch of ears for $9.99. Have two types. Little Mermaid ones here. Frozen with Anna and Elsa, $7.99. It's a really adorable shirt. Yep, just a single shirt, $12.99. Different style. Is that a? Yep, it's reversible. That one is $12.99. And also another one in that color, which is $12.99. That's a cool shirt. Star Wars, $19.99. Got the Stormtrooper helmet right there. We got the child or baby Yoda. That one's $24.99. The Rebel and Empire symbol there, $7.99. I might have to get that for my son. And multiple shirts, $12.99, $14.99 with the unicorn there. They have a lot of these autograph books here for 99 cents. Wow, look at this dress here. It's got its own little cover. Now normally this is, look at this, $350. But right now it's $140.99. That is adorable. They have a couple Mickey plushes here in a very interesting color. Normally $29.99, now $14.99. Also the Plutos are too. And I believe that's Gabby right there. $12.99. They have these Figment sweaters here with hood for $29.99. Normally $64.99. I sure do miss going to Castaway Cay. That's a cool shirt there. $6.99. That is adorable. Look at how adorable these are. That one's $9.99. This one's $12.99. My daughter's theming is elephants, so that's adorable. And then this right here is $14.99. Star Wars journal with pen. That is very cool. There you go, the pen right there. Still have plenty of Rocket Funko Pops there at $8.99. ABC Disney blankets for $24.99. Right here. Ooh, it's very soft. Captain America motorcycle set. They've got plenty of them here for $10. $10 exact. And then Star Wars Boba Fett. We got $7.99 there on the Boba Fett. $7.99 on the Star Wars there. And ooh, a class. It looks classic, right? But then we got IG in there. And this one is $7.99 also. A couple Mickey shirts here. This one's $7.99. This one $9.99. Now we get into the Castaway Cay cruise line, Disney Cruise Line. So excited to go back on that when they start cruising again. Right here, $16.99. Selection's a little low. They only have it in large, and then size is less, so no extra large or extra large. Disney Cruise Line shirt here. This one is $9.99. Yes, paradise. Currently outside there is a thunderstorm rolling through, and it is raining so loud we can hear it inside the building. Disney Cruise Line 2020 ornament, $10.99. They've got a couple left. We got an ornament of Woody right here for $5.99. And then Norwegian Fords. And that one is $3.99. So I have the wife with me. And we have a extra large $12.99 Disney World shirt. Anything on the back? No? Alright, let's get them. Yeah, how much is in that basket already? No, you just gonna hide that from me? Epcot food and wine plate, $1.99. Pull this out, look at that. You should get this for Allie. You know, like your little kid who needs to have like their snacks and their drink in a holder. There you go. For $1.99? Yeah, we're getting one. Go ahead and get one. Yeah. Oh, get one for Tanner. Yep, our son. I really wanted this shirt, and I saw it on a previous Character Warehouse video. $24.99. Definitely worth it, but unfortunately they only have medium as the largest size. Or do they have a large? No. So medium is the largest size in that one. But they do have some other shirts here. This one here, $9.99. That looks pretty good with kind of Vader outline in the background. TIE Fighter, $14.99. This one here is $9.99. The child shirt running $19.99 there. I always wanted a Skyliner shirt. I love the Skyliner. It's one of my favorite things to get around Disney. And $19.99. But the largest they have is large. So due to everything that happened, they had to cancel the 2020 Hawaii cruise. But they do have the Hawaii cruise magnets here for $3.99. They have a, what is this, Disney Cruise Line scrapbook kit. And Shelly was saying you can make them into door magnets. You just take them apart, stick them to some magnets, and there you go. For $8.99. Mickey Mouse Croc sandals, $24.99. They've got quite a selection, and on the other side of this, they have more. Some very adorable Disney shirts here, $19.99. This one looks really good, $19.99. $19.99 and $12.99. $12.99 and $19.99. Minnie Mouse Bose backpack. Outside the pouches, one front pouch. Covered in Bose. $14.99. Oh, I can't put it back up there. There we go. And then up here, we have a Banshee Purse for $29.99. Looks pretty cool. I would buy one of these if it was in my size. First ride ever at any Disney park ever was Jungle Cruise, so $29.99. I got an extra small, and medium. That's awesome. So we're trying to decide, should we get Allie this one? $12.99. Show us the other one. Alright. Or this one. It says Minnie made me do. That's adorable. $12.99. I think we're getting both of them. Go ahead and put them in the basket. Look at this, horrible. Disney Character Warehouse always gets me. Keychains here, $3.99. Oh, keychain with the reversible. Ooh, $4.99. I mean, we have some aliens over here. They light up. $5.99. Star Wars Day at Sea. That's a dream right there. Cups, $12.99. Maybe in the future we'll be able to go on a cruise line and do the Star Wars Day at Sea. BB-8 light up tumbler, $7.99. Those look pretty awesome also. They're selling a lot of the picture frames here. You can see a bunch of different styles. My wife actually picked that one out right there. That one was originally $24.99. Now it's $14.99. So many Simbas. $9.99. Aladdin collectible figurine sets, $9.99. I've got quite a few here. And then Jasmine Mini doll playset down here for $14.99. Disney Pixar's Up Balloon lanyard. That's cool. Back here you can see you can put your cards and stuff in there. And the lanyard. That's awesome. $7.99 for this Mickey shirt, and I'm so glad they don't have it in my size because I would buy this just so I can be like, whoop, Mickey gone. So much fun. $7.99. We are now accessorizing the tray with cups. It works. Yeah. And now we got one for our son too. Okay, we're back to the cup that we were just talking about. Shelly, you want to help me with this one here and explain what you found?
Okay, so if you open the cup, there's like a tray right here.
Yep, see that?
And at the bottom of the cup,
Hold on, give me the cup right here.
there's
There.
like a spoon.
There is a
bottom.
spoon in there. Okay, it's part of a spoon. So it's like a snack tray with your drink on the bottom. That's crazy. For
Pretty cool.
$4.99. And for this month's Super and Elite Patreon members, we'll be giving them one ABC Disney throw blanket. That is the item going out to the Patreon members. If you want to check out my Patreon page, link in description below. But that is on their way. All right, we got Remy in a drink cup. It's very sturdy. All right, for 99 cents, that's a good deal. $12.99 for a 9-inch Yoda plush here.
$3.99.
I really keep saying I'm going to get into pin trading, but I haven't done it yet. $5.99 for this BB-8 one here, Rise of the Resistance. Open edition. $3.99. We know we might buy a couple of these and start our own pin trading wall. Need to get into that, right? Because look at all of these Star Wars pins. We got Rey over here. Independent. Or, yep, $9.99 there. See what we got. Alaska Disney Cruise Line one for $6.99. That thing's huge. And then let's see, Rock and Roller Coaster. Doesn't say a cheaper price on it. Oh, there we go. $5.99 for Rock and Roller Coaster there. One more Disney Cruise Line pin there. 2020, $5.99. Looking super cool. We said we should start pin trading. Or not pin trading, but at least collecting pins. Chip and Dale plush here, $14.99. Does it come in one or two? Oh, just the one. That was a good stop at the Disney Character Warehouse. We got quite the bag of stuff here. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we'll be coming back to another Character Warehouse very soon. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.